Delhi Chief Justice and a response from Justice Verma, who denied any wrongdoing. Verma, in fact, claims no burnt cash was shown to his staff or family and that there was no cash in his storeroom. However, a video of the burnt cash has surfaced, allegedly showing 15 crores found at Verma's residence. Initially denying the allegations, Justice Verma later suggested a conspiracy after being shown pictures of the burnt cash by the Delhi High Court Chief Justice. For now, Justice Verma has been asked not to take up any judicial duties as demands for accountability within the judiciary grow louder.
यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे वो जले हुए थे वो
20-25 नोट थे। मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी।
और ये किस दिन की बात है, अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले थे।
जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम नहीं बता सकते, क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे, यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे? तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं, उतने ही मिले थे बस।
उतने ही मिले
थे।
उसके बाद नहीं
मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. Here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back, they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area, around 25 to 30 of them.
In fact, the Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal spoke exclusively to Times Network. He said that a panel constituted by the Supreme Court is probing the case and the centre is waiting for the panel's report. Listen in.
We have Arjun Ram Meghwal with us. He is currently in Manipur. Sir, जो चर्चा चल रहा है दिल्ली में, दिल्ली की जो हाई कोर्ट की जो जज है जिसके घर से कैश बरामदी हुई है, उसकी कार्रवाई की भी निर्देश दिया गया है, किस तरीके से देखते हैं? कई सारे हल्लागोल, राजनीतिक हलचल भी इस बात को लेकर।
देखिए, आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया, अब भी बता रहा हूं कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसके लिए एक 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनाई, जिसमें 2 तो हमारे चीफ जस्टिस हैं, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक हिमाचल के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक कर्नाटक से माननीय जज हैं। तो ये 3 सदस्यीय जो समिति बनी है वो जांच कर रही है। जांच की रिपोर्ट आने पे बाकी बात होगी ना।
राजनीतिक जो चर्चाएं चल रही है, जो आरोप उठ रहा है, इस पर क्या
इसको राजनीति के साथ नहीं जोड़ना चाहिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसमें इंक्वायरी कर रहा है और उसके बाद हम हमारी बात कहेंगे।
And my colleague Isha Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Isha, the Allahabad High Court Bar Association is all set to hold a crucial meeting today. How significant is that for the ongoing investigation in this matter?
Right. Yes, this meeting will be extremely important as this may decide the future of this particular justice that is in question. But showing you around here the visuals, we discovered the notes yesterday from this particular spot. This is where the NDMC truck was clearing the leaves, and that is when we found the notes, and the Times Network was exclusively the only channel to be here at the spot at that time. But the question that comes to the fore is that there are several versions that have surfaced, and like you were also pointing out, the Delhi Chief Justice of Delhi has been asked not to delegate any work to Justice Yashwant Verma, while he has cried out stating that this is a conspiracy against him. Currently, we're reporting from right outside his residence. In fact, he has asked the media to move away so that there's less scrutiny on him, but all eyes are on him. In fact, a key meeting is all set to be held today, as you were also pointing out, and he has been stating that this is a conspiracy theory against him. But sources have been stating that the amount of money that was found, there is more than what is being stated. In fact, the video that we also saw, the firefighter was heard saying Mahatma Gandhi mein aag lag rahi hai, and that contradicted the fire chief's statement. What the fire chief Atul Garg had said, that no cash had been recovered by the firefighters, so that was also contradicted. And today a key meeting is set to be held in the Allahabad High Court. And to give our viewers a little bit more context, this Justice Yashwant Verma has been transferred back to Allahabad High Court, and the High Court has said that this has nothing to do with the case and this is a regular transfer. But this has definitely led to a lot of scrutiny of him. In fact, the legal fraternity has also come out all guns blazing at Justice Yashwant Verma, and in fact have been questioning as to why there was so much cash in his house, especially as the question that comes is that the money is directly transferred from the judges from the bank account to another bank account. So the possibility of him being corrupt is extremely high, is what the legal fraternity has said. But a key meeting to be held today. Back to you.
Right. Isha, thank you for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this. As of now, we are shifting our focus. The Delhi Assembly's budget session is all set to kick off on a